In today's class, we are going to study about our Karnataka Kalaburgi division. Karnataka has 4 divisions. They are Bengaluru division, Mysuru division, Kalaburgi division and Belagavi division. About Bengaluru and Mysuru division, we already learnt about that, and today we are going to study about Kalaburgi division. Kalaburgi division has 6 districts. They are Kalaburgi, Bidar, Ballari, Rayachur, Koppala and Yadgiri. It has 6 districts. They are Kalaburgi, Bidar, Ballari, Rayachur, Koppala and Yadgiri district. Kalaburgi division has the lowest place in the field of literacy, per capita income, yield per hectare and life expectancy in the state. In order to understand the reasons for this backwardness, the government of Karnataka had formed a high power committee on redressal of regional imbalances under the chairmanship of Dr. Nanjundappa in the year 2000. As per its report, the least developed part of Karnataka state is Kalaburgi division. In order to provide special grants to the districts of this division, the central government accorded to special status to this division under Article 371J of the Constitution. Next, history of Kalaburgi division. Every district of this division has its own history. In the beginning of the historical period, this area was ruled by Mauryas. Then it became the part of Shatavahanas. Later, it was ruled by Shatavahanas. During 8th century, Rashtrakuta kings ruled here and their capital was Manyaketa. Manyaketa was the capital of Rashtrakutas. After Rashtrakutas, Kalyana Chalukyas ruled over Kalaburgi division and Basava Kalyana was their capital. Hampi of Ballari district was the capital city of Vijayanagara kings. The historic movement led by Basavanna took place in Basava Kalyana, which is a part of Kalaburgi division. Later during the medieval period, the Bahmani kings came to power and Kalaburgi was their capital. Kalaburgi was the capital of Bahmani kings. After the decline of Bahmanis and Vijayanagara rulers, Kalaburgi came under the rule of the Hyderabad Nizam. The Hyderabad became part of independent India in the year 1948. During the reorganization of states in the year 1956, Kalaburgi, Bidar and Raichur districts, which were part of Hyderabad Nizam, were added to Karnataka state. Kalaburgi is the headquarters of Kalaburgi division. Ballari, which was a part of Madras state, was added later to Karnataka state. Many Palegaras became powerful after the decline of Vijayanagara and Bahmani sultans. Among them, Palegaras of Harappanahalli, Sanduru, Jarimale and Surapura are well known. After the death of Krishnappa Nayaka of Surapura, his son Venkatappa Nayaka came to power. As he was aware of the First War of Indian Independence, he waged war against the British. But the British captured Venkatappa Nayaka and imprisoned him. British gifted Surapura to Hyderabad Nizam. Like this, Bidar, Kalburgi and Raichuru became part of Hyderabad Nizam state. They were merged into Karnataka in the year 1956. Next, the war for the liberation of Hyderabad, Karnataka. When India attained independence, the Hyderabad Nizam was not ready to integrate his kingdom with India. This enraged the common people who launched agitation against the Nizam. The leadership was provided by Swami Ramananda Tirtha. Sardar Sharanagowda Inamdar, Shivamurthy Alavandi, Shiruru Veerabhadrappa, Prabhuraja Patil Sanganala, Pundalikappa were leading the agitation against the Nizam. The government of Nizam started harassing the common people. The people revolted against the private army of the Nizam. It is called as Razak. The private army of the Nizam is called as Razak. The central government of India undertook direct action against the Nizam and annexed it to India on September 17, 1948. Then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was Home Minister and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the Prime Minister of India. Next, natural resources of Kalaburgi division. Some of the important rivers of Kalaburgi division are Bhima, Tungabhadra, Krishna, Mullamari and Bennetora. Red, black and alluvial soils are found in this division. Paddy is the major crop of Koppala and Raichur district. Sugarcane is considered as the commercial crops. The other major crops are cotton, foxtail millet, ragi, horse gram and pulses. The forest is scanty in this division. We can see dense forest in Sanduru Taluk of Ballari district. Bidar has also very scattered forest and Koppala has the lowest forest area. The minerals available in this division are silver, silica, gold in Raichur district, iron ore, limestone, manganese ore in Ballari district. Granite stone is available in all the districts of this division. Tungabhadra Dam, it provides irrigation facility to Raichur and Ballari districts. Basavasagara Dam is built across river Krishna. It provides irrigation facility to Raichur and Kalburgi district. Karanja Dam, it provides irrigation facility to Bidar district. Next, forest and wildlife. This division is a forest deficit division. Some of the important wild animals of this division are langur, deer, fox, bear, wolf, wild dogs, etc. Daroji Bear Sanctuary is in Ballari. Deers are there in Raichuru district. Agriculture and industries. Agriculture is considered as the main occupation in this division. The average rainfall is very less. Crops are grown according to the rains. The average rainfall is less. The division is prone to droughts often. Hence, the districts of Kalburgi division are called as drought-prone districts. Some of the important industries of this division are iron and steel industries, sugar industries, cement industries, and thermal power plants. These have provided employment opportunities to many people. Ballari and Koppala have larger iron and steel industries. Yadgiri and Kalburgi have huge cement industries. Some of the important tourist centers of this division are Hampi, Tungabhadra Dam, Sannati of Kalaburgi district, Khwaja Bande Nawaz Dargah, the Fort of Bidar, Basava Kalyana, and Hatti Gold Mine of Rayachuru. In that Hatti gold mine of Rayachuru district, it produces the highest gold in India. Art, literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance. Though this division is poor economically, it is very rich in literature, music, folklore, dance and other aspects. The first literary work in Kannada, called Kaviraja Marga, it was written by Rashtrakuta King Amogavarsha. The Adi Kavi Pampa, who wrote Vikramarjuna Vijaya, and the three gems of Kannada literature called Pampa, Ponna and Ranna. They are called as three gems of Kannada literature or Ratnatrayas of Kannada literature are from this division. The writer of first grammar book, Shabdamani Darpana, it was written by Keshi Raja. He was also belong to this division. Vachana movement. The Vachana movement took place in Kalyana of Kalaburgi division. Some of the important Vachanakaras are Basavanna, Allama Prabhu, Akka Mahadevi, Jedara Dasi Maya, Siddharama, etc. Vachana movement launched a war against untouchability. Dasa Sahitya. Rayachuru, a district of Kalburgi division, is the land of Dasa Sahitya. The Dasa Koota was formed under the leadership of Sri Vyasaraya. It rejected the concept of profane and sacred. Kirtanas were written by Kanakadasa, Purandaradasa and Raghavendra Tirtha. They criticized the caste system in their Kirtanas. Philosopher poets or Tattvapadakararu. The poets who were influenced by the Vachana movement, Dasa literature and ancient poetry wrote spiritual poems. The songs written by folklore artists, fakirs and other saints can be called as philosophical lyrics or Tattvapadagalu. These lyricists fought against the evils of caste system during 18th and 19th century Karnataka. They also made fun of liars and mad seeking of money. Chennuru Jalal Saab, Hanumantavva have written good lyrics. Some of the important writers of this period are Siddhaya Puranik, Jayatirtha Rajapurohit, Shantarasa, Pandit Taranath, Bichi, Simpi Linganna, etc. Some of the important musicians are Siddharama, Jambaladinni, Pandit Taranath, Ghazal Gundamma, Subhadramma Mansur, and they contributed to the field of music.